Where are we?
Rome.
Rome Temple. There's an olive tree. Yeah. There's the visitor
That's fine, but we
center.
only have like 25 minutes, and I think that's probably worth more than 25 minutes, to be honest with you.
And then here's the chapel. We're gonna go to church in a minute.
I'm doing a video. We went to church right here. And of course, this is the Rome Temple. Pretty building.
Hi.
I just want to get some of our scenery.
Got a
here. Well, we got that.
The steps of the chapel. That's
Yes, it's pretty crazy. And yeah, this bus is part of the scenery too.
just so pretty.
We're on the Appian Way. We're gonna go rent bikes. It's very pleasant. Hi. Buonasera. Okay, I think we go on the dirt here. I think we go up on the dirt. Maybe? No? Okay. It's too skinny? Sorry.
No, I wanted to try. Oh, now we have to go up.
Yeah, here's where we go up on the dirt, I think. Oh, it's bumpy. Oh boy. Yes. I think this is going to be the highlight of my trip.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Yeah, let me get one